streams of light flying from place to place on a dark night evoke a beautiful feeling in everyone's mind. However, when this insect, which emits light from the end of its body, flies into the house, many people are alarmed. Because of the popular story that it takes stars of the sky and mud of the sea to heal if eaten. Most of us know about the firefly, a truly amazing creature, only that story and that it emits light from the back of its body. Therefore, today's video is dedicated to firefly. They emit light from the segments located at the end of the body, the abdominal cavity. This emission of light occurs as a result of a chemical change taking place in them. This light is generated by the organism's body due to a chemical process of enzymes that operate on body temperature. When the enzyme methyl luciferase acts on the substrate luciferin in the presence of oxygen, light is emitted as a byproduct. Since this light is emitted by a living organism, it is also called bioluminescence. The firefly emits a soft light. The firefly emits a light in order to find its mate and reserve its territory. Fireflies are most active between 7 to 9 p.m., and the area they can roam in such a short period of time is limited, so the region they inhabit is species-specific. By emitting this light, the firefly has also the ability to escape from predators. Furthermore, there is an irrational fear among the farmers that their crops will be damaged by the fireflies. But in fact, the fireflies are not harmful to agriculture, but beneficial. Fireflies also have a life cycle consisting of egg, larva, pupation, and adult stages. The firefly is a predator during its larval stage. Mollusks great damage to vegetable crops. The firefly's larva is a predator of mollusks such as snails and slugs. The larva of the firefly enters a poisonous chemical into these mollusks, like snails and slugs, by using its mouthparts, and first paralyzes the animals and eats the fleshy parts. This larva has a strong appetite for eating snails and slugs. When animals like snails and slugs travel, the path they travel on is a slimy path. The larva has a unique ability to track its prey along these slimy paths. Due to this predation, larvae can be used as a biological pest control method, and there are reports that they have been used in this way since ancient times. Research reports state that the larvae of the firefly, zoologically known as Lamprigera tenebrosa, were exported in large numbers to countries like Hawaii, Indonesia, and the Philippines in 1954 and 1955 to control the giant African snail. One of the most unique uses of fireflies is that fireflies can be used for the tourism industry. Tourists love to wander at night in a park decorated with colorful light patterns. Today, such night gardens have been created in many countries of the world using fireflies. Some species of fireflies imitate the patterns of other fireflies. Because of this, beautiful events such as lightening and darkening of the environment can be experienced in these gardens. In countries like Malaysia and Thailand, these firefly zones have been set up, and through them, those countries earn a huge amount of wealth. There have also been reports of fireflies that spend their larval stage in the water, and when these larvae swim in the water they emit light. They can experience beauty in the aquatic environment. The chemical process of producing light in the fireflies is used in medical research to find cures for diseases. By using the gene that causes this light to be produced, through genetic engineering methods, it is possible to add this bioluminosity to bioluminous pets, decorative plant designs, as well as nail decoration, ornamental designs, etc. Commonly inhabiting wet leaf litter environments, these fireflies belong to the Lampyridia family, and fireflies go through 4 life cycle stages. Female fireflies lay between 20 and 200 eggs at a time on moist leaf litter. These eggs are bioluminescent. After 2 or 3 weeks of laying the eggs, the larvae hatch and the larvae live in the leaf litter. A complete carnivore, the larvae become active around 6 p.m. and appear as spots of light among leaf litter as darkness falls. The larval stage is from 3 weeks to 1 year. Pupa stage, the duration of stay is from 3 weeks to 2 years. It varies depending on the species of fireflies. Then suhumbula comes out, and it is this suhumbula that is identified as the full-grown firefly. This animal lives for about 2 or 3 weeks and completes its life cycle. It is also a specialty that most of the suhumbul fireflies do not eat. Scientists are of the opinion that fireflies do not need food because they depend on meat to obtain the necessary proteins during the larval stage. Apart from the firefly, there is another animal that emits light. It is a glowworm. Many people refer to glowworms as worms, but glowworms are also fireflies. The glowworm is identified as the larval stage of fireflies. Because the female of this firefly cannot fly, the female firefly is also known as a glowworm. Male fireflies have 2 light-emitting body segments and female fireflies have 1 light-emitting body segment. Because of this, the amount of light emitted by male fireflies is more than that of female fireflies. Fireflies live in moist environments, natural ecosystems around water, and rice fields. These fireflies are dark in color like red, black, and brown. The tourism industry, medical science, genetic engineering, etc. can be used for high economic benefit by using fireflies, so the fireflies should be protected. Don't forget to subscribe to us and click the bell icon to watch such interesting information daily. Thank you.